Hi, it's day number 3. We're talking about 20 reasons why you are awesome. You're awesome. So number 3, your brain has more power than all of the most powerful computers in this world. In fact, all of the computers in this world combined. They are not even a fraction of what your brain can do in terms of power. That is how powerful you really are. So really and truly, if you do put your mind to something, then you can't really fail. That's how powerful you really are. If you put your mind to something, you'll figure it out. If you really have the desire, the definiteness of purpose to go after something that you really want to get, then you can't really fail. That's how powerful you are. Your brain can calculate movements when you're walking, and you can do it without you being consciously aware of it. Your brain is powering your body when you sleep, and it's doing it, pumping blood through the body. And even when you do some exercise, it's pumping enough blood and enough oxygenated blood all the way through your body, so that it can get energy to the muscles. And it's doing all this unconsciously without you even having to think about it. That's how efficiently you are. So your brain is, as I said, working out so many different calculations at once. Even when you're sleeping, it keeps you alive at night. So you're breathing right now. Before I mentioned it, you probably wasn't even conscious of it. But you're breathing, and you're constantly breathing, and you're breathing when you're asleep. You don't have to consciously think about it. And when you eat food, you break down the food, and your brain is doing all of this, and it is amazing. So just remember that you have a brain, and if you want to do something, you will do it. You're very, very powerful.